What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in previous videos, we've unboxed and assembled our Makita 36-volt HEPA vacuum. This is the XCV16. This is a Bluetooth-capable dust solution. Vacuum, whatever you want to call it. I like dust solution. Sounds very technical. A lot of you asked us to team it with a tool. We have teamed it with this tool. This is Makita's 18-volt drywall sander. Here's the deal. This is really a cordless solution. Vacuum's cordless, drywall sander's cordless. They only have the hose in between them. This is the deal. We've, in the previous videos, when we unboxed this, put these two together. But we promised you a video where we showed you how to pair these through Bluetooth so that when we start the sander, our dust solution will automatically come on, and it'll be one less switch we need to turn on. So what you're going to need for this drywall sander is one of these wireless units. They're AWS wireless units. Product number 198901-5, okay? And what this does, you pop this chip into this tool, and then this becomes Bluetooth enabled. Now, this vacuum, or dust solution, is able to be paired with 10 tools, up to 10 tools. Once you exceed 10 tools, you move on to, let's just say, your 11th tool. The oldest registered tool gets bumped out. Quite frankly, I don't know, if that's the oldest registered tool and you haven't used it in a bit, it gets bumped out. You know, I don't know. What's the big deal, right? But keep that in mind, 10 tools only with this Makita vac. All you're going to do, okay, is open your AWS. We're going to use our Power 3 from Spyderco to get it open. It's made in USA, Golden, Colorado, in Blurple. It's got the S110V steel. Pretty nice knife. What I'll do is, I'll put a link down, because everybody wants to know where you get your knife, how much it costs. I'll put a link down below so you can find out where you get my knife. And we'll also put a link down below for these Makita wireless sending units. Now, for some reason, you don't have your instructions from your tool or even your vac. It looks as though Makita has given us some safety warnings and instructions here with the unit, but they don't tell you too much. So you're gonna watch this video straight through in case you don't have your instructions, okay? We're gonna take our sending unit out of our box, and on this sander, what we'll do is we're gonna remove the battery. I don't wanna have any issues. But on the sander here, you're gonna see, this is our little control for Bluetooth. We're just gonna pop that open, okay? Then once that's open, we're going to pop in our sending unit. Now you'll see you have these two notches that stick out on this side. If you look inside the tool, you're going to see inside where the module seats, okay, you're going to see there's an opening for those two bump outs. I'll pop it in, okay, and just, that's it, done. Push it in, done. Okay, and we're going to put our cover back on. And this is the thing. Oh, look at that. So when you pull the cover off, it grabs on, this cover grabs onto the module. So you don't have to worry about it being stuck in there. I got to tell you, Makita thinks of absolutely everything. But this is the thing. It's got a nice O-ring. Okay, so it's going to be dust resistant. But you're just going to actuate everything from the outside of the module. So we're going to pop that back in. Just wanted to illustrate that. Okay. Then we're going to put our cover back on. Done. Now, we're going to pop a battery back on the tool. And at this point, you would have seen that the module illuminated. What we're going to do is, we're going to come to our vacuum here. We're going to set our knob to auto. You're going to see our Bluetooth light will flash, right? We're going to hold that. You'll see it flash in green. Hold it for a couple seconds. We're going to hold this one till it starts flashing green. They're both flashing green. Now, this is lit green. This is lit green. Now it's flashing blue again. This is flashing blue. They're mated up. We're on auto. Okay. All we have to do to turn our vacuum on, because they're mated, is cool. So now we've mated the vacuum with the drywall sander. When we pull the trigger on the drywall sander, the vacuum comes on. After we release the trigger, it stays on for a number of seconds after we've released it. This way, it will continue and pull any dust that's left in the tool and the hose into the dust solution. It's pretty much as simple as that. And if you like simple as that solutions to pairing your Bluetooth equipment, because quite frankly, I got to tell you, some of you are used to pounding nails into the walls, and I'm the same way. Sometimes you just need to get to work. You don't want to have to figure out all this newfangled Bluetooth technology. If you like simple pairing of Bluetooth tools together, then smash the like button. Also, if this is your first time here, you're not already, you're going to want to get subscribed and tap the bell. And why do you want to tap the bell? Because we do emergency tool deal videos on tools just like these all the time, where you can save potentially thousands of dollars. People have saved thousands of dollars. A lot of times those tool deals only last a matter of minutes, couple hours, maybe. Never spend thousands when you could spend hundreds on quality tools. Get subscribed and tap the bell. Don't miss out. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here.